Our next guest is hosting virtual baking parties for kids and teens. Melissa Randall from Baking with Melissa joins us with those details. Good morning.
Good morning.
Well, this is really cute. You call yourself a baker-tainer, like an entertainer who
Yes.
bakes. So tell us
Yes.
about that and how your small business here in LA worked before the pandemic.
Yes, so I am a baker-tainer. I'm a baker with an entertainment background. I've been teaching children the art of acting, baking, and cooking for over 20 years. So when you bring me to your entertainment experiences, you're getting a fun, interactive baking experience and fun. Now, before the pandemic, I hosted in-home baking parties for kids and teens all over Los Angeles and the surrounding areas. I bring the dishes, the ingredients, and the fun to your home and keep your kids fully engaged for the duration of the party. And then, of course, when the pandemic hit, I was no longer able to do my in-home baking parties. And one day I was doing a free yoga class online because I was looking for free things to do out there. And it struck me that the way that I could contribute to the world right now would be to host a free baking party for anybody that wanted to join so we could all connect in the kitchen.
So you do a virtual baking class for free every Sunday, right?
Yes, so yesterday actually was our 8th free Sunday baking party. We have people from all over the country joining. It's been so much fun because I'm watching all of these people connecting with their family members that they can't see right now, or maybe people from other states that are joining in and getting to see like their grandchild baking with me online, but the grandma might be in the kitchen, in her kitchen, baking along with us. So it's really creating this really fun family connection all over the country. And actually we had some people from Canada and Australia join us recently as well. So it's been so much fun.
Yeah, what a fun idea. What are some of the popular recipes that you've been making lately?
Yes. Oh my goodness. We've been baking up a storm over here. We have Mississippi mud cake, cinnamon bread roll muffins, my everything but the kitchen sink brownies,
Ooh, that looks
and my
good.
Oreo stuffed chocolate chip cookies. Yes. Those are just, there's so many.
It
Yeah.
looks fantastic. A lot of parents trying to find ways to celebrate their kids' birthdays or maybe have a play date during this time. You can help them out. Tell us about the parties you're hosting online for a small group of kids or teens.
Yeah, so anytime somebody comes to me looking for a baking birthday celebration, I give them all the ingredient and supply lists and everything they're going to need to have a really fun interactive experience. It could be a bring your own ingredients type of experience, or mom or dad can put together baking kits that they can deliver to the baking party participants, so that way you can still provide a really fun and safe baking party experience, but we're all baking from our own homes.
What a great
So,
idea,
yeah.
Melissa. Thank you so much. It's good to see you this morning. And for more on Baking with Melissa, her free baking classes on Sunday, and how you can set up a virtual party with her, you can go to bakingwithmelissa.com, and you can also follow her on Instagram. Thanks so much.